Hey, today I am using Herbal Argan hair mask and I wanted to show you my hair before using the hair mask. As you can see, it looks really dry and little frizzy and honestly kind of stressed out. And now I am applying the mask. The texture is super creamy and smooth and it spreads really easily through my hair. I like to focus on the mid length to ends where my hair feels the driest. So first of all I washed my hair and now I am applying the mask. It feels really nourishing going on, and I love that it's made without sulfate or parabens. And after applying the hair mask all over my hair, like root to the ends, uh, then I leave it for a few minutes and then rinse it out. And this is my hair after. You can see it looks so much softer, smoother, and way more hydrated. It feels healthier, less frizzy, and has a really nice natural shine. Yes, I highly recommend it.